Looking for the best GoPro cameras to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. GoPro Hero 2 Black. If you're in search of an action camera that can elevate your adventures, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is designed just for you. Imagine capturing your experiences in stunning high dynamic range where every detail shines, whether it's a bright sunlit beach or a shadowy forest. With its vibrant colors and striking depth, your adventures won't just be documented, they will come alive. You'll appreciate the unprecedented image quality offered by the Hero 12 with a resolution of 3K video. You gain 91% more detail compared to 4K, ensuring you don't miss a single moment. Plus, the 27-megapixel photo capability gives you the flexibility to capture those perfect snapshots effortlessly. Using the GoPro Quick app to extract stills from your videos is a breeze, allowing you to relive your escapades anytime. The award-winning Hyper Smooth 6 stabilization technology offers you a smooth, professional look to your footage, no matter how intense the action gets. Whether you're biking down rocky trails or playing with a pet, durability is another hallmark of the GoPro design. It's waterproof up to 33 feet and built to withstand the rough and tumble of your adventures. Although some users wish for longer battery life for extended shooting sessions, the camera performs well for most outings. The GoPro Hero 12 Black fits seamlessly into your active lifestyle, delivering quality and reliability. Dive deeper into its features and watch your adventures become extraordinary. You will find all the links of these. Number 2. GoPro Hero 13 Black. If you're considering the GoPro Hero 13 Black, you should know that it's primarily a minor upgrade from the Hero 12 Black. Both cameras share the same impressive 8:7 aspect ratio and 1/1.9 in sensor, delivering stunning 5.3K video resolution and excellent hyper smooth stabilization. The design remains consistent, including a waterproof rating of 33 feet, which you may already appreciate from the Hero 11 Black. However, before you dismiss the Hero 13 Black, there are notable enhancements that could enhance your shooting experience. It features improved slow-mo video capabilities, offering frame rates from 3K at 120 frames per second to 720 pixel at 400 frames per second. Although these modes can have limited recording times, another plus is the increased battery life and better heat management, allowing for longer recording sessions. A standout feature is the new magnetic mounting system, which adds ease and versatility to your setup. The return of GPS functionality with performance stickers is another welcome addition, especially if you're a fan of tracking your adventures. What truly sets the Hero 13 Black apart are the innovative HB series lens mods and neutral density filters. These mods automatically adjust settings for optimal performance and even include options like a macro lens mod and an anamorphic lens mod, set to release in 2025. Although these accessories come at an extra cost, they expand the creative possibilities for your filming. In a competitive action camera market, the Hero 13 Black remains a polished flagship, perfect for those looking to elevate their adventures. And finally, the number 3, featuring award-winning Hyper Smooth technology. Hyper Smooth 5 locks your horizon, providing professionally smooth footage even in the most turbulent environments. While the 27-inch screen may feel compact, it still offers clear visuals, although it might be slightly less intuitive for quick adjustments. In summary, the GoPro Hero 11 Black combines innovative features with impressive performance, making it the perfect companion for your adventures. Experience the difference for yourself and elevate your filming capabilities to new heights. Number 4. GoPro MAX 360 degrees camera. The GoPro MAX is designed to elevate your creative capabilities with its dual 180 degrees fisheye lenses, enabling you to capture everything in your line of sight effortlessly. With the automatic stitching of 2 hemispherical video files, you can save precious time during your shooting sessions. The GoPro smartphone app complements this feature, allowing you to edit and publish high-quality spherical media directly from your phone. The streamlined process not only broadens the range of shots you can take, especially during action-packed moments, but also frees you to focus on the experience itself without the constant worry of framing your shots. You'll also appreciate the Max's remarkable 16-foot water resistance, making it a reliable companion for your underwater adventures. Its built-in retractable mounting fingers and compact design ensure compatibility with GoPro's extensive range of mounting solutions, offering you flexibility in how you capture your moments. Additionally, the 6-microphone audio array provides a rich three-dimensional soundscape, allowing you to capture voices and significant sounds while minimizing background noise. Although the GoPro MAX is currently one of the best 360 degrees cameras available, it may feel a bit outdated, especially with the anticipated MAX 2 on the horizon. If you're willing to wait, the upcoming model promises exciting new features. In the meantime, the MAX remains an excellent choice for capturing your adventures in stunning detail. Number 5. GoPro Hero 10 Black. Capture your adventures like never before with the GoPro Hero 10 Black. You'll appreciate the Groundbreaking GP2 processor which offers quick performance responsive touch controls and incredibly smooth footage. These advancements enhance your shooting experience significantly compared to previous models. The improved photo and video capabilities are truly impressive with breathtaking 23 megapixel photos and 5.3K video at 60 frames per second. Every moment is beautifully detailed. You can experiment creatively with features like 8x slow motion shots and extract stunning 15.8 megapixel photos directly from your videos. GoPro stands out with its exceptional image quality. You can expect richer textures and vibrant colors even in low light scenarios. The new hydrophobic lens cover reduces lens flare, allowing for clearer images in diverse conditions. Hyper Smooth 4 technology takes stabilization to the next level, ensuring your shots remain steady even in the most demanding situations. Plus, its improved low-light performance and horizon leveling keep your footage looking straight and professional. When it comes to connectivity, transferring your footage through the quick app or USB is seamless. You can enjoy peace of mind with unlimited cloud storage via auto-upload, making it easy to manage your photos and videos. While the screen size is a minor limitation, its functionality is commendable. Overall, the GoPro Hero 10 Black is an outstanding choice for your content creation journey. Explore its capabilities and elevate your storytelling. Today, up next in fourth place is the